How can I get a list of installed certificates on Windows? I know I have some certificates installed on my Windows and MBSP 7 machine. How can I see what they are, the nicknames they are known by, and browse detailed information, such as issuer and available usage?
In Internet Explorer, go to Tools, Alt+X, Internet Options, Content Certificates.
Using PowerShell.
Or run, start in GT, run, or just hit Win+R.
Start MMC via search files or command prompt. Menu file at /remove snap in. Add certificates at my user account and or computer account. Finish close. OK, browse.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.